Remember when you were a young child and you would tell your mom, just wait till I get older. I'm gonna buy you a mansion. I'm gonna buy you that big house. See, you wanted to be wealthy. You wanted to be able to do anything you wanted. But then reality hits. Your dreams kind of go under the rug and you have to be like everybody else, part of the system. This system wants to keep us poor. It wants control. It doesn't want to give us freedom. Sometimes even our own friends, our own family, they're so brainwashed with society, telling us what we can do. They try to tell you, oh, wealth is something that you're born into. Being rich is luck. You've been living a lie your whole entire life. From a very young age, they want control. They put us into school, okay? They don't even teach us how to write a check, invest, financial literacy, buy a house. Let me ask you, before college, why didn't they teach us financial literacy? Why didn't they teach us how to open up a bank account, how to build your credit? And why didn't they teach us that? So you finish elementary, middle school, high school, you go to college. Now you have to pay this fat tuition fee. You have to pull out loans if you don't get a scholarship. And then you graduate college and then you get into your career. But your annual salary is capped off. There's a ceiling. Maybe you make 100K a year, 110K per year. And you work this job 5, 6, 7 days a week from 23 years old all the way to maybe 59 years old with a salary that doesn't exceed over $110,000, $120,000 per year. You can't even make $1 million. Okay, this is for the majority of people. You don't have the freedom, the luxury to do anything. You don't have the time to hang out with your family whenever you want, to go on vacations whenever you want, to buy the Lamborghini, to buy the nice house. You're literally working to die. See, a lot of y'all think it's impossible to be rich because of what they taught you in school, because what they didn't teach us in school. Everyone is part of the system, right? Whether you believe it or not, you gotta kind of like tinker it. And I know a lot of y'all probably watching like, oh yeah, I know what the system is about, but then again, you're in it. You're falling into the trap of what society's telling you what to do. Instead of trying things differently, you have the opportunity to change that, to be in control of your life, to be in control over your time. Y'all are probably watching this video, maybe you're in college, maybe you're working a job that you dislike. You just graduated college and you started your career, but you realize like, hey, like this is not what I want to do for the rest of my life. I'm here to tell you right now, you guys and girls already know I have a degree. Till this day, I got a degree in nutrition and food sciences. Till this day, I don't use this degree at all. I always felt like there was more in my life. I always felt like I wanted time to do anything that I wanted. Spend time with my family, my loved ones, buy anything that I want, go on vacations. I don't want y'all to fall into a trap. I don't want y'all to not discover your full potential of what you're supposed to be. This video may not be organized. It's not supposed to be organized. This is coming straight from the heart. And everybody that watches me know that like I really care about your health. I really care about your success. I really care about your freedom. That's why I want y'all to be aware like, hey, like from an early age, we've been tricked. Okay, that this is how we're supposed to live our life. If you're watching this, there's a reason for it. There's never an accident for anything in this world, okay? There's a purpose and a reason for everything that you see, everything that you hear. So if you're working a 9-to-5 that you dislike, or you're out of college and you started your career, or you're in college and you don't want to be part of this system, right? You want the freedom, you want the luxury, you want to spend time with your loved ones, you want to really enjoy this life the way that you're supposed to. But if you really want the finer things in life, you guys already know you have to start making a shift right here, okay, right here in your heart, and understand, okay, what is it that I want to do? What is it that you want to do? Do you want to start a new business? Do you want to acquire a new skill? Maybe trading stocks. Find the glitch, trading stocks. Maybe you want to be better at sales, learn high income skills, video editing. Learn these skills, whatever it is, start that new business, figure it out, be resourceful. Nobody's gonna hand you anything in this life, okay? Nobody's just gonna hand you an opportunity. I always tell you this, you have to create the opportunity and you have to be resourceful. You never deserve anything you didn't make an effort for. There's enough money in the world for everyone. So you watch here now, you could be the next millionaire, the next billionaire, but it's up to you at the end of the day to make that shift. If you don't want to be part of the system, if you don't want to do it the traditional way, make that change. Learn those new skills, start that new business, be that new creator. When you do these things and you learn these things, it's going to create more opportunities for you to invest here, to invest there, to free up your time, because time is the most valuable asset here. Don't let anybody control you. Nobody controls you. You control your life. We don't live that long, so why have somebody control how many days a week you work, how many hours you got to put in, when you get to retire, when you get to see your family? You you should be able to make that decision anytime that you want. Now, I want to talk to you about something that's very important. It's not talked about a lot. A lot of these celebrities that we see, athletes, actors, they have a lot of success, right? In terms of career-wise, in terms of financials, they're making a lot of money. But there's many of these celebrities that are very empty inside here in their soul. I want to talk to you about fulfillment. Fulfillment is not how much money you got, how many cars you got. Now, it's okay to like these things. It's okay to want these things and have them as little milestones, as little checkpoints, but it is not something that's gonna fulfill you. At the end of the day, what's gonna fulfill you is helping somebody else. If you're helping somebody else reach their goals and dreams, changing somebody else's life, that's the most fulfillment. Because at the end of the day, we're all about helping each other. You feel most satisfied, you feel most fulfilled is when you are helping another individual. Doing everything for your own self-pleasure is only gonna take you so far. While you're on the way to the top, and this is very important, while you guys are on your way to the top, be kind, be respectful, love all, and help people, bring people along with you. And when you start a business, doing things for your own monetary gain is due to fail. Doing things to serve other people and help other people is due to be successful. Your business will be successful, whatever it is that you start. Find something that will serve others and help other people, change other people's lives, and you will do just fine. With that being said, I'm sorry if this video was a little unorganized. This is coming straight from the heart. I really want you guys to have the freedom that you deserve. I want you to be the very best versions of yourself. I think this life is very short. Time keeps on ticking, and the last thing I want is you to be, 70, 80, looking back and being like, damn, why didn't I try that thing? I didn't have more time to spend with my loved ones. I was always working. Why didn't I open that business? I don't want you guys to think like that. I want you to think about what you can do right now. How can you help other people and create something that's gonna serve the masses? Never do anything for your own monetary gain. Do it to serve others and the money will follow. That's why I have that private community. We have like-minded individuals in there. We hold each other accountable in there. We have entrepreneurs in there, multimillionaires. We have live calls every week with successful individuals. And it's a community for all of us to learn, to grow, to talk to each other, to get advice about business, finance. I think everyone should be in these type of communities, whether it's my community or another community, but you should have a solid network if you're really trying to level up your life. Click that link if you want to join, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and spiritually. Life is too short. Remember, it's not about tomorrow or yesterday. It's about what you do right now.
Yeah, I'm on a big vibe. Beachside, cool breeze, stroll eyes. Yeah, on this late night. See a little baddie, yeah, she I'ma just say when we try, baby. Leave it all behind on the free mind lately. Good things come around, you can say come and make me. She said, listen, just be careful, fall in love can be stressful. I had several, had potential. Being here is more essential. I don't care, I say you special. So she smiles, says she won't settle. Been her thing, she's regretful. Told me she might just be the devil. Smiling while you dancing, beauty.